Bailie, delighted to see you.
Good to see you as well, yeah.
So, top retail expert, global retail expert, you have such an incredible reach around the world. So, with that in mind, 2026, what are the key trends that you're seeing?
First of all, we're in EuroShop, so all the trends are here that I can see. It's only day one, but we've got through quite a lot. In fact, every hall we've been through, which has been amazing. I would say, just off the top of my head, I would say 4 key trends, probably 2 major ones. Agentic AI. If you walk around anywhere around here, it's Agentic AI. So we went from AI, generative AI, now Agentic AI, but it's agentic commerce that is exciting, and you've seen a lot of global examples like Walmart, etc. Google have launched their agentic commerce solutions as well. So actually, that's probably the biggest space where it will make the biggest difference for shoppers, shoppers' accessibility, brand loyalty, but most importantly, turnover. I would say
that's important.
That is important. Yeah, I would say maybe the second one would be vision technology. Probably is up there. Maybe 3-4 years ago, accuracy wasn't great. Solutions were a wee bit clunky. Couldn't guarantee the 98-99% percentages of recognition. But now that's already done. Cameras are much better. The ability to have eyes on in a professional manner to your workspaces, your retails, can help you with efficiencies, can help you with even health and safety, if I'm honest with you.
That's so important. I think it's always overlooked.
It is overlooked. Like one perfect example is cameras within your DCs, for example, your distribution centers. The ability to see near misses, don't underestimate the importance of a good health and safety culture. From a KPI point of view, it might sound like there is no near misses and you've got a good health and safety culture in your DC, but the reality is if they're being constantly recorded, actually it will tell you the honest truth. And I think that is a big shift in needle in terms of how you would use a vision technology. The obvious one is onto cameras on shelves, availability, etc. The other one is on checkouts, so shrink, etc. But I would say that has a massive leap forward, and I'm seeing a lot more of that around EuroShop. And then maybe 2 smaller ones, but I think are cool. RFID 2.0, I've said it a few times in interviews. The accuracy is much better. The price point is coming down, so therefore more accessible for our other retailers, smaller retailers. The biggest pinpoint for retailers today is stock integrity, and if we don't have any accuracy, which a lot of retailers are struggling with at the moment, then there's a massive kind of impact on sales, impact on commercials, but actually an impact in the supply chain full stop. So I would say our RFID is just primed to go, and even the examples of in Europe, because we're in Europe at the moment, the digital passport, digital product passport is coming to life in 2027. That's a huge step forward and requires obviously traceability around the ecosystem and circular economy, which is really important. And then just to throw a curveball at the end, I'm going to say metaverse. I've said it. Yeah.
What?
I've said
really?
I've said it before. Yeah. Obviously, everybody knows that pre-COVID, it was maybe not the time COVID hit. Then AI became the biggest thing, and should be, by the way. But I think the obvious case studies are on AR and VR in terms of how you sell and how we can interact with each other. I actually think this is around simulation and being able to plan your strategy, execute your strategy in an environment where the accuracy is high, so you can do a lot of the piloting without doing a lot of the spend on capital, labor intensive. So I'm going to call my 4th one as, metaverse.
Really, really shocked by that.
Nope.
But fascinated that it sounds like everything that you're talking about here is moving us forward, but also it's going across the industry. It's not just specifically shop floor or behind the scenes. It's hitting every touch point.
Well, I think you've hit it perfectly. The ability to look at front end and not look at the back end is a mistake. The ability to look at the back end and not the front end is a mistake. So actually this technology goes through value chain, and the obsession around connected store, connected value chain, the seamless experience for our colleagues, our customers is vital. I think people are thinking big, more enterprise-wide, and even if you talk about RFID as full value chain, even if you talk about metaverse, full value chain, vision technology can go right up the value chain. So you're 100% correct. The biggest ROI, and the reason why I think I can see retail boards getting excited about 26 and 27 is the ability to change transformation enterprise-wide with the same technology. So that seamless, non-siloed data, secure data. I think the retailers are ready to rock.
Wow, it's going to be an exciting year. So 4 amazing trends right across the board. Martin Bailie, thank you for your time.
Thank you.